Are you looking to build the ultimate dog park? Dog parks are the number one amenity to add to your community and show residents that you care about them and their pets. Plus, dog parks allow people to maintain a safe social distance while enjoying outdoor activities. So, how exactly do you create a dog park? Once you find an area to convert, you'll want to add fencing to contain the area and prevent dogs from escaping. The fencing should be at least 5 feet in height. Now comes the fun. Add your pet waste stations. The size of your dog park will determine the number of stations you need, but we recommend the best-selling Metal Deluxe Pet Waste Station, which includes an unlimited lifetime guarantee. And don't forget to stock up on pet waste bags to help maintain a clean dog park that visitors will love. The Paw Pal pet waste bags on a header are ideal for your pet waste stations as they're designed to fit all header bag dispensers. And don't forget to sign up for our VIP refill program to make sure you never run out of pet waste bags again. You also want to add plenty of signage in and around your dog park, such as park rules and general reminders to guests about social distancing regulations. And don't forget about pet parents. If possible, provide a shaded area and seating for your residents to enjoy while their pups are playing. Consider installing a doggy dash inside of your dog park to keep pets entertained. You can even add more than one to create a tunnel that they're sure to love. Now that you're on your way to creating the ultimate dog park, here are a few more products you might need. The plastic pet waste station is ideal for communities on a budget. It features a lock and key to deter theft and fits all pet waste bags. And our dog park fence art paw print adds a fun and decorative touch to the fence of your dog park and comes with a 10-year guarantee. For more tips on creating and managing the ultimate dog park in your community, visit the Great American blog.